In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can import Amazon products to your Shopify. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to just log in into your Shopify store. And after that, you want to download an app that will help you do that. Okay, it will help you import products from Amazon to your Shopify. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on apps. Okay, you want to click on apps or add apps or anything that says apps there in the left. Okay. And after that, guys, in the top, you want to search for Amazon Dropshipper. Okay, this is the name of the app. It's called Amazon Dropshipper. Make sure you add this A here, and then you want to click enter. And this is the app that we want. It will help us import Amazon products to our Shopify. Click on Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart. I know that, guys, we don't want to import products from Walmart, but this is just the name of the app. Okay, click on the app. And then click on add app. And next thing, it will take you to this page. You want to click on, as you can see, install app in the top right. Now after you click, guys, on install app, it will take you to here. Now you want to go to Amazon and select any product that you want to import to your Shopify. Now I'm going to select, for example, this laptop, this Acer laptop. In the top, you want to copy the link of this laptop. Okay, click copy or Ctrl C. And then go back to the Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart, and then click Ctrl V, paste the link here or paste it using your mouse, and then click on Get Product. Okay. And after you click on Get Product, it will show you the product, and now you can change anything before you push it to your Shopify. So for example, you can change products here, you can change images, you can change the description. If you don't like the description from Amazon, you can change it. Of course, you can change it on your Shopify. I'm going to do that right now. Now after you click on add to my store, as you can see in the bottom left, you can click on add to my store, and the products will be imported to your Shopify. Okay. Now go to your Shopify and you will find the product there, and then you can also edit it there if you don't want to edit the specifications here, like the reviews or daily price variants. Like you can also change all these things on your Shopify. Okay, go to Shopify, click on products, and you will find the product here, and you want to click on it, and then you can start changing. You can click this arrow in the top right. You can feel if you're going to change price. You can change anything you want, and then you can make it live. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help or anything, you don't understand anything, as you can see, the product has been added successfully. We can go to our Shopify products, and we will find the product. This is the product. Click on it, and now you can edit anything you want. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you guys next.